The next topic is a generation of computer. The first generation is the period of is the 1946 to 1959. It is a vacuum tube based. Then second generation is the a period of second generation is 1959 to 1965 transistor based. Then third generation is a 1965 to 1971. It is an integrated circuit based. Then fourth generation is 1971 to 1980. It is an VLSI microprocessor based. Then fifth generation is 1980s to onwards. It is an ULSI microprocessor based. First generation. Um, the period of first generation was from 1946 to 1959. The computers of first generation used in vacuum tubes as the basic component for the memory and circuitry for CPU. That means in central processing unit. These tubes, like the electric bulbs, produced a lot of heat, and the initialization, installation used to fuse frequently. Therefore, they were very expensive, and only large organizations were able to afford it. The afford it. In this generation, it's mainly patch processing operating system was used, and punch cards, paper tapes, and magnetic tapes was used as input and output devices. The computers in this generation used a machine code as the programming languages. The main features of first generation is a vacuum tube technology, unreliable, supported machine languages only, very costly, generated a lot of heat, slow input and output devices, huge size, need of ACs and non-portable, consumed a lot of electricity. Some computers of these generations were ENIAC, EDVAC, UniVAC, IBM 701 and IBM 650. The next one is an second generation. The second generation of computer from 1959 to 1965. In this generation is a transistor were used that were chapter, consumed the less power, more compact in size, more reliable and faster than the first generation machine. They made up the vacuum tubes. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as the primary memory and magnetic tape, and magnetic disk as a secondary storage devices. It is in assembly languages and high level programming languages like the Fortran and COBOL was used. The computer used batch processing, multi-programming operating system. The main features of second generations are the use of transistor, the reliable in comparison of first generation computer, smaller size as compared to first generation computers, generated less heats as compared to first generation computer, the consumed the less electricity as they compared with first generation computers, faster than the computer, still very costly, AC required, supported the machine and assembly languages. Some computers of in this generations were IBM, uh, 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, UniVAC 1108.